I'm starting an acoustic build pretty soon, and from a finesse perspective, I want to try and use hand tools as much as I can. Obviously, I have a whole workshop here of power tools, and I am going to use them to prepare the wood. But once I get to the point where, I need to, trim braces and things like that, I want to use hand tools so that I can, like I said, have a little bit more finesse. And so as part of that, I was looking into getting another plane. I have a number 4 plane here. This is the Woodcraft brand, Wood River, which is a great plane. I also have a block plane, also by Wood River, and these have worked really well, but they are expensive in the sense that they're new tools. And as I was looking to see kind of what I didn't have in my collection, I was looking for a bigger plane, potentially for using on shooting boards or to actually do some light jointing. And so I settled on getting a number 6, which is this right here. The reason why I ended up buying this, and I just ended up getting this from eBay, it's probably about $40, is that when I looked at number 6 planes and number 7 planes, they're $300, $400 a piece. And, not knowing whether or not I'm going to use these things a lot. And, given that I already have all the tools to do it, I decided to give a shot on restoring this one. And so in this video, I'm just going to go through, I'm not going to talk a whole lot. I'm going to disassemble this, clean off all the rust I can, and then we'll see what the result is. All things considered, the iron and the chip breaker aren't in that bad a condition. They certainly are rusty. It looks like they might have been, submerged in a puddle of water or something. When you line it up, it's pretty good in terms of not having a gap. And of course, as I go through and actually put a proper edge on both sides of this, I do think this is going to be workable. test fit all the parts together and tried just to see if this will take a shaving, and to my surprise, it actually will. And so I have a fully functional plane now, and the next step I want to do is just level the sole, clean up the bottom here. Now that I've flattened the sole and sanded the sides a little bit just to get a little bit more of the rust off, I think that's about it. Obviously, as I keep using this plane, I'll continue to sharpen the blade. It will incrementally get better over time. The rust will eventually get worn off. But for $40 and about 2 to 3 hours worth of time, I definitely think this is a worthwhile project. Much better than spending $300 or $400 on a plane that I might only use a couple of times. So yeah, there you go. You can reuse something that was made in the past, save a little money, make a video. So thanks for watching. Hope you check out my acoustic build when it comes on, and yeah, see you next time.